Guys, this is an unusual one. God, shut up. Ooh, 1999 Isuzu Trooper. Hell yeah, man. This thing is clean. God, it's clean. The steering wheel wrap has gone to piss, but hell, I'd just cut that on off. But man, is she clean. Clean in the back. Look at that. Big ass sunroof. Look at that sunroof. Golly. Got a nice little rack on it. Dude, this is so cool. I have always liked these old Troopers. This is the tall, boxy kind. You know what I'm talking about? I had a let's see, I bought a new rodeo in 1997, right before me and my wife got married. Ooh, it ain't got much exhaust left. I feel like the muffler's in my ass. Oh man, this brings back memories. Dude. Oh, hell yeah. Boy, if it's got a crack in the dash, you would know it, huh? What have we got? A trans temp gauge down here, DVD, or no, that's just CD player. Power drive. Dude, she sounds good. I actually like the growl. This thing sounds awesome. Woo-wee. It's not blowing smoke either. Man, that transmission shift's good too. Shifts real good. Let's give her a little walk around, y'all. She is cool, man. And she's pretty tight. Like, I mean, you know, it's 23 years old. And all the fabric and hell, everything looks good on it. Yeah, it's got a little exhaust leak right there. Floorboards are a little lacking, but look at that driver's seat. I mean, it's pretty clean. Oh, yeah. Probably could get a little dash cap for that. Oh, yeah. Not bad at all. I mean, they've done some camping and maybe, you know, river guiding or whatever. Needs a set of tires, but it's got some Yokohama Geolanders on there. Dude, old school right here. I tell you one thing, looks like it's got a little bit of the lift kit on it, y'all. I think it does. I think it just might. Oh, it's got the little ladder. I think they did some towing. That's probably why they got the transmission temperature gauge up here. And the way that transmission shifts, as good as it shifts, $10, it's been rebuilt at least once. If the hood release doesn't work. Damn. Cool rig, man. Throwback right here. Throwback. If it sells for $1,000, I'm in. Just for the exhaust. Just for the exhaust. I love it. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.